You are staring at a price tag that actually makes sense for once. And you start to wonder if there is a hidden catch behind the scenes. Usually, when a laptop promises high end performance without the high end price, something has to give. This latest gaming rig from the Dragon brand is the perfect example of that delicate balancing act we all face. It is not trying to be a thin and light ultrabook that disappears into your bag. Instead, it is a thick, unapologetic slab of gaming hardware that puts every single cent of its cost into the internal components. When you first pick it up, the plastic build is immediately obvious. It does not have that cold, machined aluminum feel of a luxury machine. It feels like a tool. It feels like something meant to be used, not just looked at for its aesthetics. The design is a bit bulky, and you will definitely notice the weight if you try to carry it across a campus or on a long commute through the city. But once you open that lid and get into a match, the trade-offs start to make total sense. The heart of this machine is all about raw speed. It handles the latest blockbuster games at standard high definition with incredible smoothness. You can crank up the settings to high or even ultra and still get those fluid frame rates that make a real difference in competitive play. The internal chips are doing a massive amount of heavy lifting here. Even though the marketing focuses heavily on new artificial intelligence features, the real story is just the solid, reliable power. You are getting performance that usually costs hundreds of dollars more in other brands. Of course, pushing that much power through a portable frame creates a lot of heat. The cooling system works hard to keep things stable, but you're going to hear it. The fans have a very distinct, loud hum that lets you know the machine is under a heavy load. It is not something you want to use in a quiet library while you're in the middle of a raid. You will also notice the chassis getting quite warm near the keyboard deck. It is never enough to cause a real problem, but it is a constant reminder of the energy moving through those circuits. Then there is the display. It is perfectly adequate for your daily gaming needs. The refresh rate is fast enough to keep things fluid, but the colors might feel a bit muted compared to a high-end television. It is a screen designed for action, not for professional photo editing. The battery situation is exactly what you would expect from a powerhouse like this. If you unplug it, you will see that percentage drop faster than a rock in a pond. This is a machine that demands to be tethered to a wall. It is essentially a portable desktop that you can occasionally move from room to room, if you are the kind of person who just wants a machine that can run any game you throw at it without stuttering, and you do not care if the case is made of plastic, then this is exactly what you have been looking for. It cuts out the expensive frills and focuses entirely on the experience of the game itself. You are paying for the frames per second, not for the brand name or fancy metal finish. It is a refreshing approach in a market that often feels like it is more about style than substance. This laptop knows its audience. It knows you want to win, and it provides the horsepower to make that happen without requiring a second mortgage. It is a gritty, loud, and powerful companion for anyone who prioritizes the scoreboard over everything else.